sub 2010到於周一到於5060加密貨幣行業的種，市值在過去20個月成為咗神利巴。成資唔濟達到1.25萬億美元，總交易量0.89%至81.2億美元，價格86.23到86.2至到86.0。
Top cryptocurrency. Daily price tracking downsides. Tesla received a large number of calls at the end of the day. The crypto market is once again in a frenzy. The bullish ratio of concept stocks reached 80%. Editors note, this column focuses on U.S. coverage popular individual stocks. Stock indices ETF also. The options trading situation for individual stocks with high volatility is updated regularly after the end of each trading day, providing a multidimensional opportunity reference for coworkers to help them seize investment opportunities. Keep up with the options market and keep an eye on gaming trends. For more options content, please subscribe to Daily Rights Tracking Topic 1. U.S. stock options trading list 1 Tesla TSLA overnight. It fell by more than 5%, and options trading volume rose in a straight line to close to 3 million, nearly doubling from the previous day. And the bullish share rose to 58%. Due today, the 250 to 120 of these call and $110 equity put were the most popular. It is worth noting that another $225 call had a large number of open positions, with a volume exceeding 50,000. The reason for Tesla's decline on Thursday stemmed from to major negative. News first. The United Auto Workers Federation UAW has assigned Tesla and Toyota, and is supported by Biden. Mobilizing votes from major trade unions is critical to Biden's prospects for re-election in 2024. Second, another member of Tesla's bearish camp has been added. HSBC analyst, headed by Michael Tyndall, gave Tesla a rating equivalent to sell on Thursday. The target price is $146, which means that it will drop more than 30% from Thursday's closing price of $209.98 point to just DISS after the performance. There was a sharp increase of nearly 7%. Options trading volume increased by more than 3 times compared to the daily average, reaching fourth place in the transaction list, with a bullish ratio of 64%. Calls that expired today and the $90 exercise call is the most popular. Additionally, due next Friday, the $90 exercise call was ordered by investors, and nearly 25,000 contracts were traded, with a cumulative total of over 26,000 open positions for 3. Cryptocurrency volume has soared, and leading concept stocks have collectively boom. Crypto mining companies Marathon Digital overnight. The bullish ratio was as high as 80%, and the volume of call orders skyrocketed. Among them, due today, calls with exercise prices of $10, 10.5, and 9.5 million were the most popular, with 66,000, 55,000, and 33,000 in closed positions, respectively, with open positions of 27,000, 8,000, and 13,000. Cryptocurrency trading platforms Coinbase Coin has risen by more than 5%, and bullish accounts for close to 60% II. The trading list of U.S. stock indexes and industry ETF options on Thursday. U.S. stocks dived intraday, and the 3 major indices collectively closed down. The SDNA index all fell nearly 1%, ending the previous trend of continuous gains. Global chief strategist at LPL financial explained that Powell's hawkish remarks and disappointing U.S. debt auction results became a reasonable excuse for the market to settle into a safe situation. The U.S. stock market has experienced a period of strong performance, but is now close to overbought levels as PTRSP 500 ETFs options volume jumped sharply to 8.3 million, and the sell-to-buy ratio remained the same as the previous day, still at 1.35 NASDAQ 100 ETF investment QQQS. The number of options traded reached 4.4 million, and the sell-to-purchase ratio rose from 1.36 to 138.3. Implicit volatility of the fluctuation list of individual stocks sharpening in the fan. Shopping a woodcutter by mistake. It only takes a few minutes to learn. There are opportunities for option tracking. If you don't understand, your knowledge wallet is empty to study the options course. Click practical. Common options strategies that newbies must learn within the price and price. What kind of potential return has a higher rate of return increase the volatility and understand the market's panic risk? Warning: an option is a contract that gives a holder the right, but no obligation to buy or sell an asset at a fixed price on board at any time prior to that date. The price of an option is affected by a number of factors, including the underlying asset's current price, exercise price, expiration time, and implied volatility. The implied volatility reflects the market's expectations for options to fluctuate over a period of time to come. It is data inverted by the options VS pricing model, and is generally viewed as an indicator of market sentiment. When investors anticipate greater volatility, they may be more willing to pay higher. Options to help hedge risks, leading to higher implied volatility. Traders and investors use implied volatility to assess the appeal of option prices, identify potential mispricing, and manage risk. Content does not constitute an offer, solicitation, recommendation, opinion, or guarantee of any securities, financial products, or instruments. The risk of losing money when trading options can be extremely high. In some cases, you may lose more than the amount of your initial deposit, even if you set backup instructions, such as stop erosion or limit price instructions. You may not be able to avoid losses. Market conditions may make such instructions unenforceable. You may be asked to deposit additional security deposit within a short period of time. If you fail to provide the required amount within a specified time, your open positions may be closed. However, you are still responsible for any shortfall in your account as a result. Therefore, you should study and understand options before trading, and carefully consider whether this type of trading is suitable for you based on your financial situation and investment goals. If you trade options, you should be familiar with the procedures for exercising options and when they expire, as well as your rights and responsibilities when you exercise options and when they expire. Edit new. Years of cryptocurrency critics have changed. Dr. Doomsday also wants to enter the coin industry. Top cryptocurrency rise. Bitcoin crosses $37,000 mark for first time since May 2022. Most major digital assets surged to high trading volumes on Thursday, as speculation grew that U.S. regulators are moving to approve the first spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund. Bitcoin BTC USD, the largest cryptocurrency by market value, crossed the $37,000 mark for the first time since May 5th, 2022, touching a day high of $37,900 for dollars. Data from CoinMarketCap showed Bitcoin was changing hands at $36,546 as of late Thursday afternoon, up to 0.7% in the past 24 hours. Trading volume was $38.79 billion, up 140%. The most popular crypto
cryptocurrency is currently 121% since the beginning of the year, but down 46% since it reached an all-time high of $68.789 on November 10, 2021. Ether ETH/USD, the second largest digital asset, climbed 7.4% in the last 24 hours to $0.033, expanding its year-to-date rally 70%. The NBBUSD, the third largest digital asset by market value excluding stablecoins, and XRP/USD, the fourth largest, fell 0.5% and 5.5%, respectively. Solana USD rose 2.7%, while Cardano USD and Doge fell 0.4% and 5.5%, respectively. The CoinDesk Market Index, which tracks 100 major digital assets, increased 1.7% in the past 24 hours, whereas the Nasdaq 100, the SP 500, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average retreated 0.9%, 0.9%, and 0.7%, respectively. The US 10-year Treasury yield closed at 4.630% on Thursday, up from 4.521% on Wednesday, and the US 5-year Treasury increased to 4.640% from 4.519%. The total market value of the cryptocurrency industry was up 1.3% over the last 24 hours at $1.37 trillion. The total trading volume surged 127% to $92.12 billion. Price, $92.78. Change, plus 4.46%. Change, plus 5.05. Sector update. Financial stocks slipping in late Thursday afternoon trading. Financial stocks were lower late Thursday afternoon, with the NYSE Financial Index down 0.6% and the financial select sector, SPDR Fund XLF shedding 0.3%. The Philadelphia Housing Index fell 1.1%, and the real estate select sector SPDR Fund XLF dropped 1.4%. Bitcoin BTC/USD rose 1.8% to $36.186, and the yield for 10-year U.S. Treasuries jumped 11 basis points to 4.63%. In economic news, initial jobless claims for the weekend in November have declined sequentially to 217,000 from, and upwardly revised to 120,000, compared with 280,000 claims expected in a survey of analysts compiled by Bloomberg. In company news, eXp World EXP said Thursday that Jeff Whiteside is stepping down as chief financial officer. Its shares fell 11%. Affirm AFRM shares jumped 13% after price target increases from several investment analysts as the company Wednesday reported its fiscal Q1 loss narrowed. Marathon Digital Mara shares gained past 8% after the company reported late Wednesday Q3 earnings of $0.35 per diluted share in the previous day, swinging from a loss of $0.60 a year earlier. Analysts surveyed by Capital IQ expected a loss of $0.13. Morgan Stanley's MSME money laundering practices are being evaluated by the U.S. Federal Reserve. The Wall Street Journal reported late Wednesday. Morgan Stanley was down 2.5%. Update. Marathon Digital gains after Q3 earnings beat on higher revenue. Updates to include recent stock moves in the headline and first paragraph. Marathon Digital holdings Mara share as we're advancing more than 12% in recent Thursday trading after